Hello and welcome to Learn Hmong the J Way. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to use the consonant and pictures. When you come to HmongDictionary.com, there is an option for you to learn or master the consonants. Okay, so clicking on this option will show you this page looking like this. And in here, you can click on the consonant, Hmong word, English, example in Hmong, and verbatim translation in English. So for example,
cho chùa
Gibbon.
chi chào chùa
She chases gibbon.
đo đế
Dog.
đế đa đê
Dog yellow takes bath.
phò phư
Bottle.
đi đa phư hào chở
D tricks few drink alcohol.
hò hào
Drink.
đĩa hào đê
Dia drinks water.
cậu
Gazelle.
đế đa chào cậu
Dog yellow chases gazelle.
lò lia
Monkey.
đế chào lia
Dog chases monkey.
mò mí
Cat.
đế đa mí
Dog tricks cat.
nò năng
Horse.
năng lò hào đê
Horse comes drink water.